Well, hello, my friend. I know you don't like when the spotlight is on you. But please, if you would, sit back, relax, and close your eyes if you need to. 'Cause I'm gonna take a moment to say what I know is true. Not everyone can change the world, but there are people who do. So thank you for living life with love. Thank you for lifting people up. Thank you for all the good you have done. You made a difference. You have known loss, you have known wins. From start to end, you've stayed hard.